testing for her motorcycle endorsement. Put some apples on the road. And she's gonna do the cone weave. She almost hit that cone. You didn't hit it. I think she'll pass that one. Good job. She's gonna do the evasive swerve. This one's different for her, even though she hasn't. She doesn't really understand counter steering 100%, even though she's ridden a motorbike like that for a long time. She doesn't know about counter steering that much. But she's still pretty good. Should we pick up our apples or leave them? She's gonna try one more time. We found this road that almost nobody ever drives on. So we've been practicing here. Okay. You want to do a quick stop?
Yeah.
Show them a quick stop.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay, do it here. Okay. The idea of that is to load up the front tire before you start squeezing the front brake really hard. And that way you don't just slide. You transfer the weight to the front tire before you really grab the front brake, and then you can stop really fast. Your front brake does most of the braking. I'm trying to explain to that effect. All right. She's picking up the apples. Not that that would hurt a car if they ran it over, but they were just apples we found on the ground that they were bad apples. We didn't pick them off the tree or anything. Good job.
Fun, honey.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.